engi andonsia soberete Chinsa Ikomi chabono maragoba enga kibono to koletera mangana maya asenchira yobwenge nararia ya kolekire korwa Chinsinyo inye chiense kerobono toko kumanyia asenchira yobwenge inyora lituko ne lia Jumapili chitalikine 34 Mutienyi ogatano na kabere umwaka wechiri wibere na 2022 ekerobona matuka minyogete kegima gochia sobochoryo bonene ebu umwaka oyo asibali mogotobwate wetera senchira yemitandao tonyore Ndizi TV News Digital eyone nsemo ya Facebook na boigo Ndizi TV News ensemo ya YouTube ne kerobwate chinga kinabogo tweet @Ndizi TV News ose website ya www.ndizitv.or.ke osena bogotoma ujumbe wetera se namba yesimi eyuere ase TV yao na kwariganire asenchira ya bene nkoiranande asegekege kerbosio egeren kumanye asenchira yobwenge. Ncheni gongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita no liatogo konya na komo asense moye bimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta ekeroto ko yachaka korwa se county ya Kisii etaro yomurai wekiama kiazimio la umoja One Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga nigo egochego koreka litikolia Jumaine ekyo kiagalire bono mugavana we county ya Kisii James Ongwae wesokire na gukwanera igoro yetaro ya Raila Odinga asate bire merobelyo yonsi negendrete guikirana bosio bwetariyo.
Thank you very much, members of the Fourth Estate. I can see KTN, can see Ndizi TV, we hear from Kisii and probably Gatembe and all the others that are here. I thank you very much for coming. Just a very, very short brief. Just wanted to tell you that His Excellency the Fifth, you all know who the Fifth is, the next President of the Republic of Kenya, is going to be here on Tuesday morning and we will be in Kisii the whole day on that Tuesday. So I thought it would be nice if you told all the Kenyans of goodwill and especially all the Kisiis to ensure that they come in large numbers when the Fifth is coming to Kisii, so that we can be able to listen to him and hear about his positive agenda for this country and for the third renaissance of this great Republic of Kenya. The main meeting will be at the stadium, Kisii Stadium. That is where the main meeting is going to be. But there will be other side meetings. He's starting in the morning from Marani in Kitutu Church North. And he will go around. He'll go to Masimba, he'll go to Memache, he'll go to Ogembo, he'll go to Suneka, and ultimately land in Kisii Stadium. It may well be that other venues will also be added, but that information will probably be given tomorrow. But I think it's important that all Kisiis who are waiting, and even those from Nyamira, those who are able to come, especially to Kisii Stadium, you ask to come in large numbers so that we can listen to the Fifth. This is going to be his last meeting before he becomes the President of the Republic of Kenya. So ensure that you come in large numbers so that you attend his meeting and we listen to his good talk to us as Kisiis. Just do know that the Fifth President of the Republic of Kenya comes from Nyanza region, which is a region where we've been together since the turn of the century, and we have lived harmoniously. We've stayed, we've done business together, we've intermarried, we've done all the things together. So it will be a great day for all the Kisiis and any other visitors that are going to be in Kisii on that day.
No muraiwe kiama kia Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka litikulia lero no arenge asensema ya Nyatieke gotoka se county ya Kisii asakira ekoko ekiama kia Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance na kubolia bagusi bonsi weso kia somo baromonge ekerobo no litkolia chikura chiraike na kumwakira Raila Molo Odinga gati yabarai barenge na Kalonzo ngamona Doris Donya Toto oyokolia ekerogo kyobo women rep county ya Kisii wetere kiama kia Wiper amo nomosike Dr. Andrew Maubi oyokolie kirogo kyobo jumbe korwa sebunge ya Kitutu Chache South.
Ambao kwa makanisani nafahamisha wengi bado mko kwa kanisa, tunahimiza Wakisii wote, Wakenya wote, ikiwa leo ni tarehe 31 mwezi wa Julai, imebaki wiki moja Kenya ipate mabadiliko. Huku tukimtakia Uhuru Kenyatta akapumzika vizuri. Si ni kweli? Mambo ya uongozi wa nje ni kazi ngumu zaidi. I'm quite sure Uhuru looks forward to retiring na wengine wasunge mbele. Kwa hivyo mimi nawashukuruni sana. Mheshimiwa Andrew, nitakuita sasa from now, Mheshimiwa Andrew Maubi. Amekuwa hata kwa timu yangu ya ile inaitwa think tank. Wako na akili nyingi. Ndio. Alikuwa kwa timu yangu ile ya ndani. Think tank group.
Hoyo kulia ekirogo kyobo governor county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati litukolia lero na sanga na bakristo korwase kelisia ime ya Mosocho Kitutu Chache South abwase aboliri abagusi bonsi komosira aseganga yayo kulia ekirogo ekyo nigatebire achageta magenderero kare nonyeta amanyetenga nache kubole ekirogo kyobo governor asatebire anyareko bagakwaga abantu batali kwenyara chinyomba gwetane chimisano nemo abo asatebire nache kwenekia amange kegima magenderero chingaki agochorwa kobo mu governor we county ya Kisii.
Nkalie ile siasa lazima konya abantu baitaba taka bachandegete chinyomba chilikuwa gacha tali nguchiaga nansi kwa gacha tamaiti ngubondo bugaba mkwaga chakuruga mpaka Nyamira chinyomba twagakire 678 chabantu kyango twe montawa kali liticha obeka kerama senge ntokenyorunkeyi oyo kolia ekirogo kyobo senator ase county ya Kisii Josh Mangi wetera se kiama kia UDA litukolia lero na sanga na bakristo korwase kelisegia St. Teresa sime ya Banyangusu abwasa babolia komosira aseganga yayo kolia ekirogo ekyo asate bagucha kwenekia oborayo bya n'oborayi bwa magenderero. Mwakili Cliffo Mbeta oyokolie kirogo kyobo jumbe korwase bunge ya Bonchari wethera se kiama kia UDA nigobona anyorire ogosira korwasa babwatani baye Jona Ondieki oyokolie boige kirogo ekyo wethera se kiama kia ODM abo bate babuna nigobanganya kobwatekana buna Ombeta na bwate recording ya magenderero na inde na cheko bakonya barabwo buna abanchari gati yabali banganya korwase amoske Jona Ondieki ngamono munyakerogo Ben Nyasoko amo
nomo konyoye Mada Nyabuto gati y'ababwatani bande au bakira Ekoko Cliff Ombeta.
Ni mzaliwa wa Mumurenda Bunyaoro. Then Nyasoko ni mpiga kura hapa Mumurenda Bonchari. Leo hii siku ya leo tumekuja hapa Soneka. Hii timu ilikuwa ni timu ya John Onkendi, lakini leo hii timu imegeuka tena ni timu ya Kirefu Ombeta. Kuanzia leo hii timu inafanya kazi na Kirefu Ombeta. Niko na wenzangu wenye tulikuwa nayo kwa hiyo kikundi, niko na vice chair, niko na coordinator, niko na advisor na niko na general secretary general.
Wango toka sekenyorokia Bunyaoro torawa Murenda. Ene timu eli awoncho kireko rwase Jona ocha Kirefu Ombeta. Etwaro lire ngambu yato ira ne nyumba. Egero umugambio ito naligereri none chinga cheito oyorange mona amonai. Orocho orabeka mache mun. Omonto orange no yorare. Ngayorocho oraike. Anye nora twera amachari go chiororo lakini oyoraro omonto moromira no monto njera tawa sekia amachari iteke. Igo bano twaro lire ngambuya tobwatisi oyo minto Kirefu Ombeta. Egere nero orange mona mona intu nero rama nyobo kwa ngubwaito ekiagera ntobwata abana chintakana ntobwata ababuraka bali batali kwenyara nonye nabasaye baito mbara abandi batali kwenyara nonye babwate abayiboli ba
nabanyando nabamwanda bamwere Kirefu Ombeta nero kwashikura ekiagera ntobata mushima oro yoka agambete for 2.5 years lakini akagambege ndeke akakora jipas chiskuru akachara abantu chobis from there abono iga ntobata mundo kurukunga wakili Kirefu Ombeta. Kirefu Ombeta yega twamire kwa support okoba kurira ara maitachi abana chintakana bono iga nabane chashia utineka ngokasira.
Abakenya nigo baburiwe batige konya ebibande byabo ase montonde bwensi. Eyo nenkwana yoyo koliye kerugo kyobo governor county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja chingaki aikirana ase kanisemo ensemo ya Kasarani ime ya Nairobi asate babune kibande na kikirwanero gyoka aso mwakie kura wachoromorai oraleta magenderero asense ya Kenya.
To alert Kenyans and especially our supporters not to fall for this. You must keep your identity card with you or your passport or whichever document you use to register as a voter. The attempts by the national government administrative officers to try and interfere with the election must be condemned in the highest terms. An election is a right of expression. It is something that people have fought for. People lost their lives in the fight for multipartyism and the political expression we have. And we want to tell and warn the public administrators to keep off the elections, to keep off electoral matters. That is the purview of IBC, and their work is only to provide security, to stop interfering. We've seen the meetings that are taking place in many parts of Nairobi. Kasarani is just an example. The people of Nairobi and the people of Kenya have made their decision on who they're voting for, and they want a free and fair process devoid of any illegal interventions by
Chinga kiecho banomuliki obotambe ase wizara yoborendi bwaime Karanja Kibicho nigatuguteirare amangana yobune serikali nigere nomorovelyo bwokugora ebibande korwasa Bakenya bunenchire ya moyo koiba chikura asobochoryo bonene bumwaka oyo enkwana yarorekanire gokwanwa korwasa barai asobomo wa Kenya kwanza.
Imefika wakati ya watu kuwa na wazimu nyingi kama hiyo wenye unanielezea. Sisi hatuendagi usiku, tunaendaga mchana, na madai ya kwamba tunanunua vitambulisho ni madai ya ina maana yote. Hakuna haja ya sisi kununua vitambulisho, hata sijui ni kununua za nini. Kwa hivyo nafikiria wanasiasa kabla waanze kutamka maneno, ni vizuri hata kama wanataka wananchi waanze kuwaonea huruma, kwa kuwa wanasema vitu iko na maana na vitu wanajua wanaweza dhibitisha. Kwa hivyo kutoka kwangu, hiyo ni madai ya upuzi na ni madai hata haina.
Omokonyi bumurai wense Dr. William Ruto nigagendrete ni campaign cha ya sensemo ya Western asate vire serikali aye onyaga kuiro burai neche kwena na chiloni abakenya batali wakanira kende gionsi unenjere ya moyo kwegendereria kimagenderero amo nubonchoreria
sini utakopa bila ya kuulizwa security yoyote na bila ya kulipishwa interest, kwa sababu tunataka kuinua biashara ya wananchi mashinani na tuweke heshima kwa biashara ya kila mtu.
Oburemi bw'echinsu ase county ya Kisii nigo bono bwanyorirwe ogosira maega ya serikali ya county ya Kisii amonense ya Kenya kubwaterana nense ya Greece bachiramo na kuigwana buna nigo baranyarko baokora obonchororia na gukini birengo by'oburemi bw'echinsu aiga Kenya.
Kolia lero twabere negesio gutwara omogeni korwa ense ya Greece bacha no yo minto Vicky oyo ko vai for women rep in Kisii County nchaya negara make kere gasieito na serikali gasieito ni research sense moyo botugi bw'echinswe abanga beto gusinga gerete mwanyugoreria tangoro kupolorina amangana twagambira igana amange weterese chisemi chi abana mbabwata opportunities chi scholarship mbabwata opportunities chi exchange program lakini goetani nayo ani twagosoiringa ngagituraje togale iyo bole mugweto bw'echinsu gusi
Nara yu asebono mwancho muligereria kurenda mange bunakonya gwateka imena isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii no cheko ya nyora gikora gensemo ya bono botuko amono yo minto Evelyn Osero kurende ngwakangambi ya monase bali moira chinga kina ko yaligereria Chinsa Ikomi asenchera yo bwenge olitwa bwaterana komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta no lyanekia chibichana Mariogi agwikira senchera yo botoereru nigakoro kwa John Kibati na inchena ko yaletera senchera yo bwenge nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwomogusi Omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV Vono na bukura ry'ubunchoria bwao ase television ya Ndizi TV chinga kichindi chonsi elio bwikere abarigereria kurochi county sana na ibire echichira sorogonkorwa Nyanza na boigo Rift Valley akesime ase namba